Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leanna. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, but I'm going to be doing something different. Instead of doing a talk through tutorial, what I'm going to be doing is putting on a little bit of music in the background, and I'm going to be reading some poetry. So I'm going to be doing, yes, a voiceover in the background, but instead of doing all of my makeup information, I'm just going to be reading something kind of relaxing. Everybody tends to tell me what a soothing and relaxing voice I have, so I just kind of had this idea, and maybe people will like it, maybe people won't, but it was just an idea I had, and I'm going to try it out. So I'll have all of the makeup information and what I'm doing popping up on the screen in text form. I'm also going to have sort of a walkthrough in the text below in the description box for those of you who want to read it bit by bit. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, then just keep watching and listening for some poetry. When midnight mists are creeping, and all the land is sleeping, around me tread the mighty dead, and slowly pass away. Lo, warriors, saints, and sages, from out the vanished ages, with solemn pace and reverent face, appear and pass away. The blaze of noonday splendor, the twilight soft and tender, may charm the eye, yet they shall die and pass away. But here in dreamland's center, no spoiler's hand may enter. These visions fair, this radiance rare, shall never pass away. I see the shadows falling, the forms of old recalling, around me tread the mighty dead, and slowly pass away. I wish I could frame you and hang you on the wall, exactly as you are, for future generations. I wish you knew you didn't have to change, not a single thing. Don't make yourself small, not for them, and not for me. The best things about you shouldn't fit in a box. You will grow, you will thrive, you are perfect, exactly as you are. I always looked out at the world and wondered if the world looked back at me. Standing on the edge of something, on my face, the wind from the cold sea. Across the waters were mirrors to see, faces that looked like me, people caught between two places, people crossing over the seas. And it seemed from my croft, with the old stones and the sheep, and the sound of the songs in my sleep, that the music of folk somewhere meets. On the edge of the place we would be, I've lived through some hard times, my face is lined, my body so frail. I used to think I might be able, when the river ran to meet the sea, when the sun and moon shared the sky, to look out as far as the eye could see, and raise a glass to the girl looking back at me. The midnight moon soothes its weary bones and howls through the wind. Dancing in the tall grass, the sound begins to breathe. In, out, listen to it grow, thriving in the streets under an audience of stars, a chance to bask in solitude until the morning comes. You float away from me as if your time here never mattered, but you mattered to me, and I lie below you, shattered, broken, lost like you are to me, burning brightly inside me, interminable flame scorching everything, but leaving it intact. The clouds surround me, and I am lost, lost like you are to me. This anxiety inside of me, I don't worship it, it worships me. At an altar, I won't falter. It wears a disguise, hiding day and night until it finds me. Alters my perception, skewing the figures No way to know why it loves me so deep. In my belly it lives, it grows, it swells, so profound. If only you could see its eyes, like it sees mine, shivers in my spine, and then it leaves, crawls out of me, away with thee, but a promise, you see, to return again. But I'll be ready then to turn the light on, take a deep breath, and cast my shadows away to live another day. You can't beat me. Maybe it's easier having been named after someone. Nobody expects that you'll rule the underworld or judge the dead, but they'll call you Pluto anyway. Planet, too. I know a girl like you, who used to be a thing she isn't anymore, but hasn't changed at all, whose orbit didn't circle straight, whose size and distance never quite seemed right, but no one cared till now. I was a woman once, surrounded by my own gravity, catcalled into Hades by men who could not see this gem of a hard rock was not made magnetic for the likes of them. Hey, little mama, don't take it so hard. So we are frigid, so we stay relegated out here with our kin. I'll wear my fade tight and my tie loose if you play your radio loud. They say we're known only in comparison to that which surrounds us, so I guess they'll hear our signal soon. I was a woman once, but that's not the farthest thing from the sun. Another universe might have let me be. Another universe might have let us be. Sending a hug your way. I just came to say I hope your day shines brightly, like you do. Your smile lights up a room. You are glorious and deserving of all the best in life. So I write these words for you. They're not much, but they'll do to show you you are loved. And this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, just let me know in a comment down below. I'll have all of the makeup information down below, as well as where else you can find me on the internet. And if you'd like to subscribe, there's a button where you can do so. And if you don't want to, that's okay. And I hope you have a good afternoon, morning, or evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope to see you soon. Bye, everyone.